Yo, what is up my friends? This is Rowan from OptimizeFX bringing you another update on the ORION EA CENT account. And look at this. This is crazy, right? We've got a balance of 59,867 cents. We're in negative almost 7,000 in drawdown, and it has made, well, $98.67. So yeah, we started this on 50,000, and it's made 98 bucks. Woohoo! Alright, I reckon that's pretty awesome. I do believe that this is the settings that I've used. Well, actually, these are all in the 15-minute time frame, as I mentioned in the last video, and it is the setting that comes with the bot. ORION CENT. So yeah, just a quick update on this one. It is going awesome. You can see the account history there. It's made 9,867 cents, and this is US. I think I got this one in USD, but US cents, USC I should say. So if you're in Australia, obviously $98 US is worth more in Australia, so that's a win. You're probably looking at 160 bucks or something like that, who knows. But that's awesome. I'll show you the statement. This is the statement for this. Profit factor of 4.7. Freaking amazing. It's doing I don't know if I can swear this channel, but I'm going to. It's doing a shitload of trades. Because you've got to be over 18 to trade anyway, so I'm going to swear. But yeah, 307 short position, like 562 trades. So it does have 8 pairs running. Remember, but yeah, pretty crazy. This is a long statement, as you can see. When I printed it, it was -8. So it was $82 in the negative, but this is what happens when you start on a cent account with a crazy robot that is very volatile. But this is why we trade and we have fun, right? So let's see how it goes. I'll give you an update tomorrow. I will see how it goes overnight and tomorrow afternoon. I'll do another recording tomorrow night and let you guys know how it goes. 8 pairs, ridiculous robot, cent account. Let's see if we can make it to what are we up to? Let's see if we can, so you can get it to, well, it's going to get to 60 tonight probably, but let's see if we can double it. I don't know how long that'll take, but let's see if we can double. I don't know. It would be awesome if you could double it. So let's make 100,000, or let's make another 50,000 US cents, and in 1 week. Let's do it. So we'll see how we go. I don't remember when I started. It may have been Friday last week. So I've got Friday till this week. So make 50,000. We've already made 10,000 almost. So let's do this. Let's smash it. And I'll see you in the next video for another update on this awesome robot. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.